Ever wonder where your money actually goes? Like, you get paid, then poof, it's gone. That's where zero-based budgeting comes in. It's a fancy name for a super simple idea. You give every dollar a job until your budget equals zero. Not $0 in your account, $0 left unassigned. Let's say you make $2,000 this month. You plan where every dollar goes. Rent, $800. Groceries, $300. Gas, $100. Savings, $200. Debt, $200. Fun money, yep, maybe $100. Leftover? Put it somewhere. Every dollar gets a job. Now you're at zero. Boom. The point is, you're not guessing. You're not hoping. You're telling your money exactly what to do. It's like being the boss of your money instead of letting it wander around doing whatever it wants. And when you do this every month, you start seeing patterns. You cut waste. You reach goals. You stop saying, "Where did my money go?" Because now you know. Zero-based budgeting works for anyone, whether you make $500 or $5,000. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Every dollar matters. Every dollar works. Nothing gets lazy. Nothing gets lost. Zero-based budgeting. Tell your money where to go before it disappears. Pinchy Joe, demystify all financial terms you don't understand. Subscribe for more videos and share it to your friends and family.